Most photographers work outside when doing portraits. It's a smart move when you don't need a studio and you don't have one. You also don't need really expensive lights. You get all the beauty of nature for absolutely free. The problem is most photographers don't pay attention to a few key details that can make or break your outdoor photo shoot. So in this first section, you'll follow along with me on an outdoor couples photo shoot to learn how to get great images with natural light. You'll also learn a few key retouching tips to help your photos look their best without killing your night after a photo shoot. By the time you're done, you'll know how to compose an image from front to back to create visual simplicity, beauty, and harmony in your images. You won't struggle with getting natural expressions. After you see how I do it, you'll be able to grab your camera and do a couple's photo shoot and have a blast doing it. Here's the first secret. You need to start thinking like a landscape photographer. That's right, because you are one. A landscape photographer looks for a scenic picture free of distracting poles, signs, colors, or breaks in repeating patterns. Then they get a good flat horizon that's level. Finally, they'll ensure their tonal range is suitable and the camera can capture both the brightest and the darkest area of the image. Think that's only for landscape photographers? Well, you're wrong. That's what you need to do. That's step one before you even take your first portrait. Find a good landscape shot that's free from distraction and full of natural beauty. The next big hurdle for many is light. It's elusive, but also filled with possibility if you know how to work with it. The one biggest thing you can do to transform your images from snapshots to portraits is to get good light. So don't ever use direct sunlight, ever. Just doesn't work. People don't use it. Don't use your on-camera flash. Put your subjects back to the shade and avoid harsh shadows and unflattering light. Let me show you. First, here's an image with wonderful natural light. Notice how even it is? That's because it's in shadows. Here's an image of what not to do. Lots of deep and ugly shadows because of direct sunlight. The last thing photographers really struggle with is expression. I'm here to let you in on one of the biggest secrets. Nobody can fake an expression. If you don't feel it, you won't show it. Even actors need to get in the mood to get the right look. The poor subjects are the same way when you ask them to smile or laugh. Their expressions will be all off. Now their expressions must be natural. Think those expressions are their job? No, not so, my friend, it's your job. Now can you see the expressions, the forced looks? It's obvious. Photography is about connecting with people to create fun experiences that naturally make people smile. Talk to people, get them to loosen up, assure them they're doing a good job, and your images will look great. Talk to them as if they're your friends. You'll get natural expressions doing this, and throughout this course, you'll watch me as I do it in my own style. Your style must be just that though, yours. I can show you how I do it, you can follow along, but you need to build your own style. You can't fake it, and neither can your subjects. Why would you want to anyway? You've got so much to offer on your own. So, to recap, we've covered how to get great backgrounds, harness and control your light, and get spellbinding expressions. Now join me as we head outside and do all these things together on a photo shoot.